Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hey Derek.
Hi.
Today we are going to be floating the Salt River and
we might die.
No, we won't.
yes we will.
No.
Derek, are you ready?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, we're here.
Yeah.
First we gotta get our inner tube. Alright everyone, we tied all our inner tubes together. Got our cooler. And now we're just waiting for my mom and dad to be ready because we're waiting on some people.
Start paddling that way.
No, we said we don't want to go over the road.
Paddle that way. What's up?
Ass is up!
What's up? What's up?
Oh no! I can't. I thought you dropped it. You're like, oh yeah, it's yeah, it's gone. Yeah, it's like.
Yo,
How's it been?
got a stick.
Yeah.
Wear a football helmet next time.
My thing has been waterboarded. We're on like hour 2 of the river. Just so the vlog knows, I'm peeing currently.
Are they here? Under the police.
Alright. Not two. Derek, how was it? Yeah? Alright, Derek.
Yo.
How was it?
It was fun. Very fun.
Would you do it again?
This is a vlog?
Yeah.
Can I be interviewed real quick?
Yeah, okay. Basketball!
My name's LeBron James. I'm nowhere near the greatest of all time.
Because he's obviously black.
Yeah, and I have a beard. I'm not the greatest basketball player of all time.
This audio quality is gonna suck.
No, it's gonna be really good. It's gonna be really
No, the
good.
wind.
No, it's gonna be really good. LeBron James. I have a lot of money.
What's your net worth?
My net worth?
Yeah.
Like $2?
No, 2 billion.
Oh, $2 billion.
Yeah, we're on the bus. Alone. We're back at the parking lot, and now we're gonna get our car. Luckily, my mom has the key. Guys, surprisingly, they got a Lamborghini Urus or a Santa.